Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, we'll be seeing how to rectify the column or the beam which has gone out of the plane. In order to check whether all the columns or the beams are in the plane, we have an option called as select beams parallel to X, Y or Z axis. Here we'll be checking whether all the columns are in the Y plane. So select beams parallel to Y axis. Now we can see that there are almost four columns in each uh, bay, and then we we have these two columns that are missed out. Let's check for these columns. Firstly, we'll have to select the node cursor, and then clicking at the base of the node cursor, we'll have to see the x ordinate at the base is 18.17, that is at the node 2 base. And similarly at top node of the column, the node is 18.18, that is it has been deviated a little. We'll have to rectify this. Keep this node number in mind, so that we'll have to go to the stat editor and change the x value there. And similarly for this column, check the base node. The x ordinate at the base is 18.17, and similarly at the top the x ordinate is 18.175. So the nodes are 7 and 64. Keeping these two nodes in mind, let's go to the stat editor. The stat editor utilities, command files, and then we can see here is the seventh node is 18.18, make it as 18.17. Coming down to 64th node, here we have 18.17. okay, after this is done, keep the file, save the file, then close the stat editor. Now we have to check whether the rectification that we have done is done or no. Then go to select beams parallel to Y. Now you can see all the columns are selected, and these two columns are also parallel to Y. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching all my videos. Thank you once again.